everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to recycle this old plastic bottle and make a balloon pump out of it. Take a bottle, make a hole and cover it using another balloon and then it is ready. Simply press it from the bottom and it is done. Today we are going to make this disappearing pattern craft. As you can see, we are going to take this transparent sheet, color it and then put it inside the water and look, it's done. As you can see, cut these shapes and you can draw different patterns on the top of it. Today we are going to use clay and make these fun colorful masks out of it. Press the clay and cut the rectangular shape. Now we are going to use another white clay, make lines and look, it is ready. Let's use peanut shells to make cute little birds. It's a simple and fun craft. As you can see, we're going to draw the shape and use peanut shells, color them and simply paste it like this and it's done. Here we are going to make this mini bicycle craft using paper cups and straw. As you can see, we're going to cut the base and paste all of them together. Look, your bicycle is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.